This is crazy. This is so crazy, huh?
Oh my goodness.
Oh, hi.
Oh my goodness.
Well, that's one heck of a welcome.
Yeah, I saw the door was open, so I was like, yes. Happy day, friends. We're here at the Jurgys, and we're going to be going to the Tannerites here shortly for a unicorn-themed party. And look at this.
Look at her cake.
Nelly just freaking killed
With
it.
the help of Austin.
Yay.
Beautiful. You
all-
did.
it's all you.
I feel like it's heavy.
That looks awesome.
It is
Little
heavy.
unicorn cake. And look at this, just do this. It's freaking sweet. But we're here to film a few different videos today, and I'm super, super pumped. It's gonna be a lot of fun. You have that sound. What? We spotted you first.
It's a unicorn.
Holy
cake.
cow! It is a real unicorn.
It is.
Holy cow!
This is the realest unicorn.
I ran out of frosting.
Oh, they're making
So we're here at the Tannerites for
Yeah.
a birthday party, and they're all outside playing some games. And this is gonna be a lot of fun. Pretty pumped right now. Maybe this might get me excited about having kids, like birthdays and stuff. Who knows?
Themed parties are so fun.
All I know is I now want Nelly to make a birthday cake for my birthday.
Nobody gets any more birthday cake. I better get one.
The only person getting birthday cake now is Nelly. There's way more kids here than I'm used to on a daily basis. What do you think of that unicorn?
Good.
I did a good job?
Yeah.
Good. Kid approved. I still got it. You know, pin the tail on the donkey. We're doing pin the horn on the unicorn. And Danielle just got spun 13 times.
Hey.
No way!
That was actually really
That was amazing. The other two are like not even close. Lizzie's is right here.
3 cameras.
And look how good she did. No way. I am so impressed.
Here you go.
Yeah, I'm a teenager, that's right. Camera, okay. All right, you're gonna spin me
Oh yeah.
27
I
times.
got you. Maybe just 3.
How
And
about,
the camera will
yeah.
You just
all the people at home are gonna get sick.
Oh my gosh. Okay, this is not even.
He's already dizzy. Us older kids.
No, the camera really does, like, it really does. Really? This one?
Oh!
Whoa.
Let's see how I did. Oh wow! I'm impressed. Look at that. Okay, this camera really does make your balance like way worse. Way worse.
7 times.
Oh,
You can get 3, just like me.
spinning 3 is even better.
3 was
I'm
bad.
getting dizzy.
Wow, he's being very methodical about this.
You got height here.
Oh my gosh.
No way.
Just do it, Johnny.
Oh, so close. So close. That was pretty good.
Look at the angle of that. Bam.
Oh, I didn't even consider the angle when I put mine on there. I was just like,
Unicorn poop taste testing, that's what they're gonna be doing. It's gonna be awesome. So the goal of this game is they're sitting across from each other, and the first team to eat all their ice cream wins. So it's really not a taste test, it's more so a devouring contest. Way to go, Johnny, you jinxed it, it's raining.
I'm no weatherman, but
Google told us no rain, you jinxed
Google doesn't know
it. What do you know that Google doesn't?
that there was a big black cloud above us.
so I'm learning very quickly that kids make things a lot harder, but also like a lot of fun.
We're married, look, we're swinging at the same
We're
time.
married. Put your hand.
Oh.
Yay! It's been a long time since I've been on a swing.
Oh my lord. Oh my Lanta.
Can this thing hold us?
I sure hope so.
It's wiggling a bit. It's wiggling.
Go, did I get it?
No way!
Don't move your head. Don't move your head. Oh yeah.
See? Do you get it?
Chad, don't move your head.
This is a messy game, I'm not gonna lie.
You can't move your head! You can't move your head! You gotta eat it! You gotta eat it!
We did it! We did it! Woo! We're done! We have winners!
We gotta be quick.
I know.
Okay. Do we just dump them in?
Yeah.
Like all these?
Yeah.
Oh my.
We gotta hurry though.
This is so many.
Oh, good.
Okay, ready?
Okay, go.
Oh my gosh.